In this video lecture, we will discuss about ion cycle. As we know that iron is present in marine and terrestrial habitat. 5% of iron that are present in the earth crust. Ion cycle mainly consists of oxidation and reduction reaction. So, let's move to the introduction part. The cyclic movement of ion between biotic and abiotic component of ecosystem is known as ion cycle. There is the continuous circulation of ion between living and non-living component of the ecosystem that is known as ion cycle. In nature, ion exists in a two form, that is Fe 2 plus and Fe 3 plus. Fe 2 plus means ferrous, Fe 3 plus means ferric. Iron exists in a nature in a two form, that is ferrous and ferric. Iron is an important limiting nutrient for the plant to produce chlorophyll. It is a very important nutrient for the plant to produce chlorophyll, as iron activate catalase enzyme which is responsible for chlorophyll. So, it is in the plant, iron is an important nutrient. It is used in hemoglobin formation, as we know that the hemoglobin is the oxygen binding protein found in RBC, that is red blood cell. The main role of hemoglobin that contain iron, the main role of iron in our body is to transport oxygen to the tissue and carbon dioxide to the lungs. Iron also required for the synthesis of oxidative enzyme. So we can see that iron is an important constituent for hemoglobin and other protein that contain iron, that is myoglobin, cytochrome, iron sulfur protein that contain iron, cytochrome P450, some enzymes such as catalase that is found in the chlorophyll, that is responsible for the chlorophyll, peroxidase, tryptophan pyrrolase. Ion cycle is also involved in the ETC reaction, that is electron transport chain, in which ferredoxins and cytochromes proteins are found. These all are the important compound that contain iron. In nature, iron is released into a soil or an ocean through weathering of rocks and volcanic eruption. Due to the weathering of rocks and volcanic eruption, that iron is released into a soil or an ocean. Ion cycle is found in both terrestrial and marine ecosystem. It is found in the terrestrial and as well as in the marine ecosystem. Okay, as I have told that ion cycle is a oxidation, it is consist of oxidation and reduction reaction, and in nature it is exist in a two form, that is Fe 2 plus and Fe 3 plus. Fe 2 means ferrous, Fe 3 plus means ferric. Fe 2 is converted into Fe3 by the oxidation reaction, whereas Fe3 plus is converted into Fe2 plus by the reduction reaction. There are this ferrous and the ferric are the interconvertible, they are reversible. There are some iron oxidizing bacteria, that is Thiobacillus, Ferroxidins, Sulfolobus acidocalydaricus. These are the iron oxidizing bacteria. As iron cycle exists found in a terrestrial habitat and marine ecosystem. Here we'll discuss about terrestrial iron cycle. First of all, plant absorb iron through their root from the soil. From the soil that iron is present, plant will absorb the iron from the soil. As why the plant absorb this iron? The reason behind is that iron is required to produce chlorophyll and the plants require sufficient iron to perform photosynthesis. Then animal obtain iron when they consume plant. Animal obtain iron when they will consume the plant. As animal obtain the iron when they consume the plant, iron is utilized by the animal in hemoglobin synthesis. Hemoglobin is the oxygen binding protein that is found in RBC. After then there will be the dead and decay of plant and animal. After the dead and decay, that will be decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria and the fungi that will decompose this animal and the plant. Again this iron back into the soil. This cycle continue in a terrestrial iron cycle. Marine iron cycle. In the marine iron cycle, primary, it is very much similar to the terrestrial iron cycle. Here, the primary producer such as phytoplankton and cyanobacteria absorb iron. First, they are the primary consumer, phytoplankton and cyanobacteria that absorb the iron. Then the iron that has been obtained that will assimilated by the consumers, the one that consume this phytoplankton and cyanobacteria that goes into the consumer when they eat bacteria or the plankton. This is what about the marine iron cycle. This is what all about the iron cycle, that how this iron cycle circulate in biotic and abiotic component.